Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to try and go in there closer, because now at last I have to be careful. So down below are the larger boulders, the base. Now the base, although it looks chaotic, is also part of this it's sound energy capturing or transmitting technology. It's doing both. And what is this? It's these ones. These are the ones. This is the language. The lines, the strata, the form, the variations in size, all of it. This is a harmonic resonant language in sound, and it's interacting with the sea. And so technically one could imagine that structures could absorb harmonic resonance from the waves, from the sound of the waves. Because we go in this world for everything, for power, physical, three-dimensional material power, but they were working with much finer frequencies that people today could only dream of. I dream of it, man. I wish we had created a world like this. Yeah, there it is. Somehow the sun makes sense in some way. Even though this probably was built in later, I guess. Not sure.